Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix disk write error on Steam. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're getting a disk write error on Steam, here's a quick and easy way to fix it. First, go to your desktop and open the search bar, then type Task Manager and open it. In Task Manager, look for any Steam processes that might be running. Right-click each one and select End Task. Next, go to the Details tab at left side. Again, look for any Steam-related processes. Right-click steam.exe and select End Process Tree, and then confirm it. Once that's done, open Steam again. After Steam opens, click the Steam icon in the upper left corner, then go to Settings. From there, click on Downloads and set the download region to your current location. Once that's done, scroll down and click Clear Download Cache, then confirm. This helps remove any corrupted files that might be causing the error. If you're still experiencing the disk write error after this, the last solution is to reinstall Steam. To do this, open the search bar, type Add or Remove Programs, and open it. Here, find Steam in the list, click Uninstall, and then download and install it again from the official website. Following these steps should fix the Steam disk write error and get your games running smoothly again. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix disk write error on Steam. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.